send that message that we support Gaza, we support Palestine, we will defend Al-Aqsa, we will defend Jerusalem, and we will not be ignored, and we will not be taken for granted. Some people think that you'll vote for them, whatever they do to you. It's a great opportunity to send a message on Thursday that actually, if they want your vote, they're going to have to listen to you. And I think you know, after 50 years or more of my work with you and for you as a member of Parliament, as a television and radio broadcaster, I have always stood up for you. Even my worst enemies are not slow to say that. They think I'm your candidate. I'm asking you to show them that I'm your candidate and that you are in unvanquishable number. Tens of thousands of you on Thursday. Many of you have already voted by post, and I'm grateful for that. But most of you have not yet voted. So Thursday is the day. Please, not only yourselves, but your wives, your mothers, your sisters, your daughters, everyone, whole families, out to vote on Thursday. And I'm not asking you to do it for me. I actually don't need this. I promise you I don't need it. I'm 69 years old. My youngest child is 3. I promised I'd be spending the next years with them. I'm not asking you to do it for me. I'm asking you to do it for Gaza. I'm asking you to do it for the Palestinian people. Because they'll see it, they'll hear it, they'll feel it. If I walk through those swing doors, you'll see Sunak and Starmer quaking in their boots as I arrive with your mandate for them. Free, free,
Palestine!
free, free,
Palestine!
free, free,
Palestine!
from the river to the sea,
Palestine will be free!
from the river to the sea,
Palestine will be free!
from the river to the sea,
Palestine will be free!
in our thousands, in our millions,
We are all Palestinians!
in our thousands, in our millions,
We are all Palestinians!
in our thousands, in our millions.
We are all Palestinians!
Brothers, Thursday's the day. Let's do it. Let's do it for Gaza.